In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of changing colors in DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's get started. First, select the clip you want to work on. Head over to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. Once you're in the Color page, locate the Qualifier tool. This tool allows you to pick and isolate specific colors in your image that you want to change. Now click on the Qualifier icon, and using the eyedropper tool, select the color in your image that you wish to modify. By clicking on Highlights, you'll be able to visualize the selected color. If there are parts you missed, simply click on the Pick or Add tool and select those missing areas to refine your selection. In case your selection is broader than intended, don't worry. Navigate to the Window option and create a rough mask around the area you want to focus on. This step helps control the adjustment to a specific region. If your selected object is in motion, use the tracking feature. Track the window back and forth to keep your adjustment accurate, especially if the object moves within the frame. Now, let's dive into the color adjustment. Click on the Curves window, specifically the Hue versus Hue. Here you'll see a graph. Select the point corresponding to the color you want to change. For instance, my t-shirt in this case. Adjust the color by raising or decreasing this point. To better visualize your changes, you can deselect highlights temporarily. This allows you to see the modified color more clearly. If you wish to enhance the saturation of the modified color, navigate to Hue versus Saturation. Pick the color you adjusted and increase the saturation as desired, and there you have it. You've successfully changed the color in DaVinci Resolve 18. Experiment with these tools to achieve the precise color adjustments you envision for your footage. That concludes our tutorial. I hope you found this helpful in mastering color changes in DaVinci Resolve 18.